Hello and welcome to Henry channel. If you're having intermittent charging fault with your laptop, USB-C Thunderbolt is not charging, then stay tuned and I will show you what to do. Disconnect this, and as you can see, this is the Thunderbolt port. So this is the intermittent fault. Sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't. So look, right now it's not charging. It's plugged in and it's not charging, guys. So this has a intermittent fault with the charging port. Now, there's 3 steps to this. Step 1, to fix this problem, shut down your laptop. While the laptop is shutting down, just to let you know, it works on all models of Dell. So make sure your laptop is completely switched off. Step 2, disconnect the charging tip and anything else attached to USB ports. Step 3, switch off the switch, remove the plug. Now, insert the plug again, switch it on. I want you to now insert your charging tip into your laptop. Power on. And your laptop should be charging now. Ignore this message because I have a undervolt charger. So boot to Windows or Linux, whichever operating system you're running, and check to see if your laptop is charging. Let's check this one. Yes, it's charging, guys. Let me show you. There you go. Try this solution and tell me how you get on. I hope this video has helped. Please like the video if it has, comment and let me know how you get on. Thank you for watching.